They say that the richest and the wealthiest people on earth grew their wealth through real estate. But how? This is the how. Join me. My name is Ken Mugo, the MD, Madaraka Homes. About home ownership or real estate investment. This is how you can build your wealth through real estate in a very simple way. For example, if you want in 2 years to have 3 million, this is how you can build it. You can start by purchasing properties that are within your budget. Case example, in Malindi, we have a property going for 100,000. The good thing is we have a flexible payment plan where you can make a deposit of 35,000, then pay the balance in 6 months. Once you are done, you get your own title deed. So how do you build your wealth? You've gotten your first property. You can do two things. You can resell it and get more profit, or you can take the same title deed to a bank or any financier. You get a loan, then you buy your second properties. And within a very short period, you'll be able to accumulate your properties. And this is how you build your wealth. Join me in my next video as I take you through how to build more wealth. Thank you for watching. Peace.